Hello, welcome to Astronomy Spotlight for January. My name is Kirk Rosberg. I'm the planetarium coordinator here at the Hastings Museum. Jupiter is at opposition on January 10th in the wee hours of the morning. It's going to be at its brightest, roughly magnitude minus 2.5, and at its closest to Earth, about 393 million miles away. That is the equivalent of 35 light minutes away from the Earth. Technically, Jupiter is at its closest to us on January 9th, the night before opposition. It will be visible all night long, rising at sunset and setting at sunrise. Here I've got Jupiter set in our planetarium sky at 10 o'clock. So 10 o'clock on the 10th. As you can see, it is almost halfway up in the eastern sky. The full moon this month is on January 3rd. It is also a supermoon. The moon is at perigee, or closest to the Earth, at the same time it reaches 100% illumination, or full. So, once again, it might look slightly brighter or slightly larger in the sky that night. Two other moon-related events occur this month. On January 22nd, the waxing crescent moon and the planet Saturn are very near each other in the evening sky. Saturn appears as a yellowish first magnitude star shining steadily with little or no twinkling. Saturn and the moon will be located in the southwest. The last event involving the moon occurs on the evening of the 30th and into the morning of the 31st. The waxing gibbous moon and Jupiter are very close to one another, as Jupiter remains quite bright at magnitude minus 2.5. This all happens within the constellation of Gemini, the twins. Finally, I'm frequently asked, what is the brightest star in the night sky? The answer is Sirius, the dog star, located in the constellation of Canis Major, the greater dog, one of Orion's hunting companions. Finding Sirius is easy. First, find Orion. Let me turn Orion on here. There we go. Take the three stars that form his famous belt and make an imaginary line through those three stars down toward the horizon, and Sirius can be found right here. Not far away is the smaller dog, Canis Minor, which is essentially two stars. One of them is the bright star Procyon. Together, Betelgeuse in Orion, Sirius, and Procyon form the winter triangle. Three stars in the shape of a triangle, and a bright one at that. Thank you for watching Astronomy Spotlight. Please join me again next month for another edition.